In the damp, dimly lit confines of St. Mary's Hospital in London, a humble Scottish scientist named Alexander Fleming prepared for another day of research. Little did he know that this day would change the course of medical history. September 3, 1928, a day like any other, Fleming returned to his lab after a brief holiday. Upon entering, he noticed an oddity, a contaminated petri dish, left unattended during his absence, was showing signs of unusual growth. With a curiosity that had fueled his career, Fleming decided to investigate. Under the microscope, he observed a moldy fungus, Penicillium notatum, growing amongst the bacteria Staphylococcus aureus. Fleming noticed that the areas around the mold were completely free of bacteria, a phenomenon he had never seen before. Intrigued, he isolated the mold and named it Penicillium rubens, the red mold. It wasn't until the early 1940s, during World War II, that penicillin's true potential was realized. A young researcher named Howard Florey, along with his team, took Fleming's discovery and developed it into a usable antibiotic. By the end of the war, penicillin had saved countless lives, revolutionizing the treatment of bacterial infections. Fleming's serendipitous discovery in a forgotten petri dish had transformed the medical world, ushering in a new age of antibiotics and paving the way for future scientific breakthroughs.